Hi guys, welcome you all in M-CAD Foundation and hope you all are doing well. So this is our third tutorial in random tricks in CATIA V5 and in this tutorial I'm gonna cover how to create shortcut in start menu. So which is most frequently asked by users. So let's switch to my screen in CATIA V5 and you can see here in right side this gearbox. This is indicates to that start menu. So while working in hybrid design, if you want to switch your design in assembly design or else shape and sheet metals, any of them, so by using this shortcuts you can design easily. So I'll show you how to add those workbenches in this start menu. So first go to tools, then customize, and here are the functions. Okay, start menu. So in left side it is showing the all workbenches. So whatever the workbenches you want to work, you have to add up this one on right side. Okay, so this is the arrow like switching this right side, and if you don't want, you have to back to the same position. So suppose I want to add part and assembly and shape design. So I'll show you how to add. So here's that assembly design. Click on assembly, then click on this arrow. So it will add to that assembly design. Okay, if you want to add in shape, so shape is here. Okay, and the next one is part design. So part is also added. So like this you can add this one, and if you don't want, you have to reverse this by this arrow. Okay, so I'll show you how it will come. See, now I can click in this gearbox and you can see here whatever I added like assembly shape and part, which is showing in this dialog box. Okay, so 1 2 3. So like this you can add your start menu bar, and hope you enjoyed this session. And if you have any doubt, then please comment on the video, and please like and subscribe the channel for more updates. So goodbye.